I recently decided to try doing a classic French manicure myself at home. Welcome to 3D Nail Mona channel. Here we have a lot of colorful tutorial for you. Please subscribe my channel and follow me. I should say I'm absolutely thrilled with the results, taking the time to carefully paint on those clean, defined purple tips was so satisfying, and seeing the final look on my hand makes me smile every time I glance down at my hand. Doing a French manicure yourself does take a big practice to get the technique just right, but trust me, it's so worth the effort. The finished look is simply stunning. I'd highly recommend giving it a try yourself. It's an affordable way to elevate your look and feel a little more luxurious. Let me know if you have any question about how I achieved this fabulous many. I'd be happy to share my tips and tricks. Wishing you happy, healthy, and beautifully French tip nails. Thanks for watching.